Hey there everyone, welcome back to iTech Explore. If you're new here, then please do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to organize your projects or designs in Canva. If you have been using Canva for a while, and have created quite a number of designs, it's best for you to organize them into folders so that you can easily find them and revisit them later. That's what we are going to do in this video. First thing you need to do is to visit canva.com and log into your account. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, click on Projects. This is where Canva stores all your designs, images, and uploads. In the projects interface, you can see here all of your designs, folders, designs, images, and videos. Now, we're going to create folders, so we'll click on folders. As you can see here, we have two folders. This upload folder is already created as we upload files in Canva. The other one here is the Neuro Fitness videos that I created, and how to make these folders. You just click on add new, then this will come out here, so we can choose one that we'd like to add. So we're gonna add folder. Enter the name of the folder. Flashcards multiplication. Alright, so we have here, how are we going to add our flashcards here? Let's just click this one. So we have here, start managing your content. You can create a design here in this folder, or add the designs. Then your projects. Then we're going to save here. Let's find the flashcards that we have created. Alright, it's here. Flashcards multiplication 2 is already here. And if you want to add more, just click add new and then design. Choose design, click on your projects, and then let's find some other flashcards here. I have created 10 of this because this is the times table from 1 up to 10. So here. There is another way to organize this one. If you already have created a folder, then we're going to go back to projects and then go to our designs. Find our design here and then click on our design. So we want this design to be moved to our flashcards folder. So let's click on this and click on flashcards. Then move to folder. So moving your items to flashcards. So I think this is easier than that of the first one that I showed you. All right, let's see in our folder if it already saved here. So you can easily reset the folder. If you want just one design to move to some folder, so just click on these three dots here and then click move to folder. So here is the thumbnail, so let's just click on that, move to folder. And if we'll go back to folders, so it's here. Okay, the thumbnail designs are already here. I still have to make a lot of folders here to make my designs organized. Alright, if you think this video helped you, then give me a thumbs up. And if you think of something that you want me to do in Canva, then please comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.